Residents of Mountainside, I am Mayor Paul Mirabelli with an update on the COVID-19 epidemic. As I have been starting my last few updates, I think it is important to continue to thank the doctors, nurses, other medical support staff who are on the front lines of fighting to save lives from COVID-19. These people are truly heroes. They risk their own lives in order to save lives. They miss time from their families so that they can protect your families. They are to be commended for their heroic efforts. I want to thank our first responders, the Mountainside Police Department, the Fire Department, and most importantly, our EMTs and Rescue Squad. They must all be commended for the sacrifices and for their dedication in continuing to be on the front lines in the fight against COVID-19. There are a number of volunteer programs and funding activities that are taking place in Mountainside, which demonstrate what a generous community Mountainside is. Several of these programs I have already told you about, and there are some new ones. The first is the Mountainside Cares program, who, as of April 26th, have raised $24,500. These donations have come from mainly individual Mountainside residents, but they have also received donations from the Mountainside Newcomers Club, the Green Machine Little League team, and the Mountainside Travel Car Show. They have spent $18,552, and with the support of our local business owners, have delivered 2,237 meals to Overlook, Atlantic Ambulance, Mountainside Rescue and Police over the last 6 weeks. Truly amazing. The businesses that have contributed are Basilico, Passaico, Tarantella's, O'Brien's, Famous Dave's, Bavella's, Public House, Mazzella's, Crohn's, Mountainside Deli, Madison Bagel, Allen's Deli, Doria's, Zappia's, Chiaffi's of Union. These are all Mountainside businesses or owned by Mountainside residents. Please support these businesses as they are open for pickup and takeout orders. Some offer delivery. Check their website. Mountainside Cares has also provided home-cooked meals for our rescue squad and police department. In addition, $400 was donated to the Mountainside Rescue Squad for PPEs and $400 to the Westfield Fun Club for food and supplies for families in need in Union County. Through Mountainside Cares, Mountainside children have sent cards of encouragement to Overlook staff, get well cards for the montage that Overlook is putting together for patients, and a montage put together by our schools for the Overlook staff. Mountainside is truly a grassroots community organization. Great job, Mountainside Cares. If you want to make a monetary donation to support Mountainside Cares, you can do so through Venmo at Amy-Raddick. Please continue to support this wonderful program, which is a great example of the support Mountainside has shown for hospital personnel and first responders. The next program is our Senior Meals program, which continues to thrive. On Friday, Vicky's Diner served 50 meals. On Saturday, Mosaico served 113 meals. Today, Doria served 52 meals. The total meals delivered to date are 1,439. What a great job. On Wednesday, April 29th, Zappia's is offering chicken franchise, mashed potatoes, and spinach for $10. And on Friday, May 1st, Sheelan's Crossing is offering chicken parmesan and salad for $10. All of these meals sound delicious. Anyone interested can contact Kim Moriak at 908-812-4434. Kim is also coordinating a food shopping plan with Stop and Shop in Westfield so seniors do not have to go to the store. This program also includes volunteers who can pick up prescriptions. Right now, there are 98 seniors and 54 volunteers who participate in these programs. Next, I want to personally thank all of the volunteers and businesses who are contributing to these programs. This is a type of community spirit that will help us get through this crisis. I am sure many of you have seen the rainbow lawn signs of hope and gratitude. Thanks to the community's generosity, Overlook's Auxiliary has raised enough money to purchase a Xenex sterilization machine for Overlook Hospital. They are continuing to sell signs, and the proceeds will be used to meet other Overlook Hospital needs during this pandemic. To purchase a sign, visit www.eventsconstantcontact.com or www.oaux.org. Purchasing these signs not only raises money to purchase new equipment, but the signs show healthcare workers and other essential workers the level of respect and admiration and gratitude the community feels for them. There is a new fundraising activity which is run by 2 scouts. Daniel, who is a first-class scout out of Troop 177, and David, who is an Arrow of Light out of Pack 177. They have been producing 3D printed face shields and ear comfort straps since the beginning of April. The demand for PPE equipment has been so much that an additional 2 printers and extra supplies were purchased, made possible through the generous donations of the community. To date, the boys have donated PPE equipment to New Jersey Railroad Police, Union County Police, Mountainside Police and Fire Department, Newark Police, Linden Fire Department, Holy Trinity, assisted living and daycare centers. As the community starts to phase back into society, the boys will continue to provide PPE equipment to other businesses to keep the workforce safe for as long as it is needed. Daniel and David, in true scout spirit, feel that giving back to the community and keeping the front line safe in the fight against COVID-19 is an honorable thing to do. I agree. If you would like to donate, please go to https://forward/face-shields-and-strap-for-first responders/update/all. Please contribute. It sounds like a great program, and these young boys are doing a great job. I would also like to thank Rainbow Catering and Pinhole Bakery, who donated 30 spaghetti and meatball dinners with dessert to the Mountainside Rescue Squad and the police department. The Recreation Department is offering virtual programs to help keep our residents active and connected. A weekly schedule can be found posted on their website. This is located under the Recreation tab on mountainside-nj.com and is called MRD Camp Cooped Up. It will also be posted every Sunday on their Facebook page and Instagram page. You will also find challenges, games, creative DIYs, projects, fitness, and sports videos for individuals and families on this page. They have started a weekly steps challenge that people can participate in order to stay active while they're at home. Simply email your results to the Recreation Department on Sunday for the week. Further guidelines and instructions for this can be found on the website. The Rec Department currently has interactive game show day on Fridays. Times are posted in the weekly schedule and will change to accommodate different groups. This coming Saturday on May 2nd, they will have a live scavenger hunt for different age groups between 10 and 1 p.m. Sign-ups will be available via Community Pass for free, and you will be sent the streaming service provider link to participate. This will help them better connect people in a fun way during social distancing. Prizes such as Mountainside merchandise, gift cards to local businesses to help support local, and free day passes to the Mountainside Community Pool will be awarded for winners of all challenges, games, steps, and for random participation along the way. For those parents and anyone over the age of 18 thinking about coaching and wanting to get certified for when we are able to go back to playing sports, they will be running a Rutgers Safety online course in the next couple of weeks. Just email Frank or Sam at the Recreation Department this week, and they will be able to send you more information. The Recreation Department strongly believes in trying their best to keep people connected, sane, and positive during this time, and they want to make sure they have something for every age group to enjoy. They will continue their efforts for the duration of the stay-at-home order and adjust as we move forward in a safe and healthy way. In order to keep safe when you're walking on the streets, you should always walk facing the traffic, and please do not text while you are walking. If you are walking at night, please wear something reflective so it is easier for cars to see you. Please don't wear just black. Let's keep safe when we are exercising. As I'm sure you are aware, Union County started paving New Providence Road from Mountain Avenue to Route 22. It is anticipated that it will take about 5 days, and there will be full road closures from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. In addition, Union County commenced paving W.R. Tracy Drive from New Providence Road to Glenside. Again, it is anticipated this will take about 6 days, with full road closures from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Please adjust your plans accordingly. Our Planning Board attorney, the chairman of the Planning Board, borough engineer, and borough administrator are still working on scheduling virtual Planning Board meetings that comply with the Open Public Meeting Act. The first meeting should be scheduled in May. If you have an application that you want to file, you can bring it to Borough Hall, and there's a bin out front for you to drop it in, and it will get processed. Congress, again, passed increased funding for the SBA Payroll Protection Plan. They increased it by $349 billion. The SBA started taking new applications today. If you already have applied, call your lender. If you have not, you should apply immediately. They specifically put aside $60 billion for small community banks and credit unions. So this is your best bet to apply. Imagine, which is a center for coping for loss, which is located in Mountainside, is offering a free virtual support group on Wednesday evenings at 8 p.m. for healthcare professionals, police officers, mental health officers, caregivers, and other helpers who are working tirelessly to keep us and our families safe. To register, please check the Mountainside website or Facebook page for more information. With respect to positive tests in Mountainside, since Thursday night, there have been 9 additional residents who have tested positive for COVID-19, which brings the total to 59 as of 4 p.m. this afternoon. Now more than ever, we need to double down our efforts to continue to stop the spread and to flatten the curve. I urge all Mountainside residents to cooperate in order to protect themselves, our families, and our community. It is extremely important that we continue to practice social distancing and wear a mask or other face covering when you are in public. This is not a suggestion. It is each resident's civic duty to promote social distancing and wear a mask. I call on all parents to set a proper example and practice social distancing at all times. Our children will do what we do. Also, parents must make sure when children and parents interact with each other, they maintain proper social distancing even with your neighbors. This crisis is not over, and we must continue to battle this terrible disease. Please try to remain calm. I am confident that we will get through this, but only if we work together and each do our part, especially with maintaining proper social distancing. We must continue to be safe, be strong, and not let our guard down. If possible, stay at home. Only go to the grocery store and pharmacy if it is necessary. If you must go out, you must wear a mask or face covering. When shopping and standing in line, customers should keep 6 feet between themselves and other patrons and staff. Individuals should not enter a retail facility or interact with anyone if they have symptoms consistent with COVID-19, such as a fever or cough, have been diagnosed with COVID-19, or undergoing a quarantine for potential exposure to COVID-19. I know I've said it over and over again, but wear a mask when you go out, even if you feel healthy. This will stop the spread to others who are most vulnerable. If you have been diagnosed with COVID-19, you must quarantine yourself even from other family members until your healthcare provider tells you it is safe to interact with other people. It is everyone's community duty to maintain social distancing and to stop the spread and to flatten the curve. Mountainside can win this battle. No matter where you are, please remember to check on your neighbors and our senior residents, which I know many of you are already doing. Practice social distancing. Wash your hands. Try not to touch your face. I've said it once, I'm going to keep saying it until this disease goes away. These practices will save lives, but only if everyone, young and old, adhere to them. I want to thank Max Spivak for the wonderful job he did in organizing the Mountainside Traveling Car Show, which took place this past Saturday. He had over 50 classic cars led by the Mountainside Police Department and followed by the Mountainside Fire Department trucks and the Mountainside Rescue Squad ambulances as they traveled throughout the town. The car show was a great distraction for all the residents, young and old. The smile on the children's faces and the expression of joy and thankfulness by the residents was an uprising event for the whole community. Everyone practiced social distancing, and the event was a great success. You can view it on Channel 35 as well as and Channel 39, as well as on the Mountainside Facebook page if you want to see the great event that it was. Again, thank you, Max Spivak, and your family. Be safe. God bless all of you, and God bless America.